Is it time to buy or sell TQQQ ETF? In this video, we will explore TQQQ in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 28th of April, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one of 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since April 28, 2025, our system has identified TQQQ as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -1.55. Now, let's examine the performance of this exchange-traded fund during this time frame. We will keep monitoring this evaluation to observe how it develops in the days ahead. The exchange-traded fund has broken through a broad and declining short-term trend. Initially, a slower rate of decline is indicated, which may signify an early signal of a trend shift. In response, support will be found at the ceiling of the current trend that has been breached, which is $53.08, a level that may present a second opportunity for significant gains. According to fan theory, $77.38 could be the next potential peak level, serving as a resistance point that may not be surpassed on the first attempt. The current 3-month trend suggests a possible change of -47.2% over the next 3 months, with a potential return ranging from -71.76% to -47.92%. Examining the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of 2.26%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from -25.88% to 78.67% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $39.89 and $96.16. Our latest daily update for TQQQ includes the headline, Evaluation of TQQ ETF downgraded after the last trading session. The TQQQ ETF price experienced a decrease of approximately 0.0743% on the last day, which was Monday, the 28th of April, 2025. The price dropped from $53.86 to $53.82. During the last trading session, the ETF fluctuated by 5.81%, ranging from a low of $51.64 to a high of $54.64. The price has increased in 6 of the last 10 days and is up by 10.79% over the past 2 weeks. Notably, trading volume decreased on the last day alongside the ETF price, which is generally a positive indication, as volume should align with the ETF's movements. On the last day, the trading volume declined by 18 million shares with a total of 94 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $5.08 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $93.79, while the lowest price was $35. Currently, the price is 42.62% or $39.97 below the 52-week high and 66.94% or $108.97 below the all-time high reached on the 15th of January, 2018, when the price peaked at $162.79. The ProShares UltraPro QQQ, commonly referred to as TQQQ, has become a central topic in market discussions, especially following the recent volatility after Liberation Day. Investors are increasingly turning to leveraged exchange-traded funds like TQQQ to take advantage of both upward and downward market movements. This trend suggests a strategic shift among certain investors who are actively engaging with short-term fluctuations, rather than simply hedging against them. Recently, TQQQ has gained recognition as one of the top-performing exchange-traded funds, alongside others such as the iShares Ethereum Trust and VanEck Semiconductor ETF. This rise reflects a broader positive sentiment among investors, likely fueled by growth in the artificial intelligence-focused technology sectors. Importantly, TQQQ's significant exposure to leading tech stocks, often referred to as the Magnificent Seven, enhances its attractiveness amid ongoing discussions about growth in AI investments. Market analysts interpret the current price pressure on TQQQ as a potential buying opportunity for those aiming for long-term gains, particularly within the technology sector. The considerable revenue growth reported by companies like TSMC highlights the optimistic outlook for AI spending, which could further bolster TQQQ's long-term value. In the short term, with the market displaying signs of volatility, TQQQ may experience sharp movements consistent with equity market trends. On a larger scale, if inflows into equity exchange-traded funds continue, this might indicate the conclusion of the recent correction phase, potentially leading to a rebound in TQQQ and driving its price upward. Investors should remain cautious, weighing the potential for substantial rewards against the inherent risks associated with leveraged funds like TQQQ. The following signals have been identified for TQQQ. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Some negative signals have also been issued, which may impact short-term developments. The TQQQ ETF currently shows a buy signal from the short-term moving average. However, the long-term average indicates a general sell signal. Since the long-term average is above the short-term average, this results in an overall sell signal for the ETF, suggesting a more negative outlook. In the event of further gains, the ETF will encounter resistance at the long-term moving average, which is $54.42. Conversely, if the ETF declines, it will find support from the short-term average at $48.57. A breakout above the long-term average will trigger another buy signal, while a drop below the short-term average will reinforce the sell signal and strengthen the overall indicator. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Friday, April 25, 2025, and so far it has decreased by 0.0743%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Additionally, volume decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which lowers the overall risk, as volume typically follows price movements. Here are some additional signals you might find intriguing. Moving Average Convergence Divergence. This indicates a buy signal. Pivots. A sell signal was noted 2 days ago. Bollinger. A buy signal emerged 17 days ago. The short-term moving average presented a buy signal 5 days ago. Conversely, the long-term moving average signaled a sell 46 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 43 days ago. Reviewing the 12-month chart reveals the short moving average indicated a buy signal 4 days ago. The long-term moving average also pointed to a sell signal 45 days ago. Additionally, the relationship between the short and long moving averages provided a buy signal 37 days ago. Don't forget to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you wish to explore more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for TQQQ. TQQQ finds support from accumulated volume at $52.61. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when this support is tested. This exchange-traded fund may experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility. With a very large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this ETF is considered to carry a very high risk. During the last day, the ETF fluctuated by $3 between its high and low, which represents a change of 5.81%. Over the past week, the ETF has demonstrated an average daily volatility of 6.39%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for TQQQ. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for TQQQ is at $59.11. If you don't own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the ETF, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, TQQQ encounters its first support level at $52.61. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. We currently hold a negative evaluation for this exchange-traded fund and no stop loss has been established. Is TQQQ ETF a good buy? TQQQ holds several negative signals and we believe that it will continue to perform weakly over the next few days or weeks. Consequently, we maintain a negative evaluation of this ETF. Due to some minor weaknesses in the technical picture, we have revised our analysis conclusion for this ETF from a buy to a sell candidate since the last evaluation. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the most recent trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 29th of April, we expect TQQQ to open lower by approximately 453 cents, starting at $53.37. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you agree and take responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the exchange-traded fund. Do you agree or disagree? Share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at StockInvest.